Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all. I am Fatima Afrin K, first standard. Today I am going to sing an action song. When I grow up, I had so much at Granny's farm. It was neat to learn that love makes things grow. Granny is so wise and there is so many things that she can do. She is a farmer, a baker, and a teacher. In fact, there is so many things we could be when we grow up. I grow up, I'm gonna be a teacher. 1, 2, 3, come on with me and sing the ABCs. When I grow up, I'm gonna be dentist. Make your teeth look the best, so you can wear a smile. There's so much that I can do now. What should I be? There's so much that I can do now. What should I be? When I grow up, I'm gonna be a pilot, flying up in the sky in a jumbo jet. When I grow up, I'm gonna be making you see me on that TV of famous movie stars. When I grow up, I'm gonna be baker. An apple a day for I said to leave you feeling great. There's so much that I can do now. What should I be? There's so much that I can do now. What should I be? When I grow up,